Hello everybody, we're back again in the GALAX PRO Wood working room, and I got a couple of more power tools to introduce to you. Today I'm going to be introducing to you the Jigsaw. These are two different models, and I'll be taking you through the different parts, their differences, and what you can use them for in your DIY projects. Let's go! Alright, now the Jigsaw is a fantastic tool for the carpenter. It's very versatile and it is very good at cutting irregular shapes and curves. If you want to cut through your plywood, framing lumber, or any other material, you can use the Jigsaw to cut these forms very easily. Okay, now the Jigsaw has different parts. The first one is its base plate, a cord, an oscillation level, a speed adjustment lever, a power adjustment lever, laser, and finally, we got the blade changing system. This blade changing system is particularly very simple and easy to use for you. It's the T-shank blade system that allows you to change with no tool. Alright, so the main differences in between these two jigsaws is the power. We also have a different in protection motor, and also its speed adjustment lever. So these two jigsaws both have a guide rail, and they all use the T-shank blade system. They all also use a hex key to mount and change to 45 degrees cuts. Alright, so I want to show you how you can make simple cuts using your jigsaw. It's a very simple to use saw. We're going to cut straight cuts and maybe an S cut so that you can see how versatile this tool is. So first of all, you want to know how you can mount your saw blade. Very easy. For this particular saw, you can lift up the protection lever, and you want to make sure your T-shank blade faces outside. And once it's ready, you just have to put it up to a place where it's stable. Then you can close it again, and you're ready for cuts. So let's go, let's make some cuts. Alright, so this was a short introduction to all your DIY beginners. If you want to use a jigsaw next time, you want to know the parts and how you can use to cut it. Welcome next time to join us here at GALAX PRO Wood Working Room. See you next time.